Man, this kind of sucks. The break-in period on a motorcycle is no fun at all, especially coming from my 500R. That break-in period really wasn't that bad. It was still 600 miles, but being such a reserved bike, you know, like this thing, the first time at 170 miles, I don't know if you guys can see, in the first 200 miles, 250 miles, you're only supposed to go to 4,000 RPMs, and let me tell you, the power band just, I can just feel it. I can just feel it coming in right at 4,000 RPMs, and it's so tempting. I just want to kill it. But I guess I'm kind of getting used to the bike a little bit more. But still, I don't know what you guys have heard. So that's kind of why I'm making this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you listen to the dealership? Do you listen to everybody that's like, oh, the break-in period is this? Do you actually do that, or do you just say screw it and break the bike in how you're gonna ride it? Because I've heard both ways, so I'm curious what you guys do. See, like, it's so easy to push it past, because once you get to 4,000 RPMs, like, you can feel it a little bit before that, around 3,000. But once you hit that 4,000 mark, man, I can just feel this power band, man. It just wants to go. And it's so tempting because this is my first big boy bike. So I really just want to gun it. But, you know, the time will come. But so far, man, the biggest thing that I think I realized coming from a smaller CC beginner bike, and now that I've ridden this for 170 miles, is the importance, or just the luxury of having dual disc front brakes, man. The 500R just had a single disc front brake, and it wasn't even that, the radius was not very big. And, you know, riding it, I never really ridden anything else, so I had nothing to compare it to. But now that I've been on here for a little while, and this is my first time out here in like the twisties, just kind of getting used to the bike, but man, you can grab that front brake and it has some stopping power. And some of you guys are probably like, oh, the Z900, its front brakes aren't really that good compared to others, but like I said, coming from the 500R, it is a huge difference. So I'll probably make a whole video just talking about things that, like comparing my 500R to the Z900 and what I think is better, what I think is worse, if anything, and kind of comparing the two, and my experience going from the smaller bike to the bigger bike. Because so far, you know, there's already been a couple of times just riding around on the road where I'm like, man, this throttle could get away from you pretty quick. And honestly, I'm only in road mode. So, and I'm not going to take it out of road mode until I hit the 600 mile mark. I'm going to do the oil change and everything, and then I'm going to make a video strictly, it'll be pretty much like a first ride review video, and it's going to be fully unfiltered. I'm going to put this baby in sport mode, and we're going to go tear it up and have some fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But in regards to the break-in period, you know, I'm at 173. I'm slowly chipping away. So once I get to 250, I can go up to 6,000 RPMs. I'm kind of just doing what the dealership, what the owner's manual says. Like, why not? It'll just give me a chance to get used to the bike, the ergonomics, and everything else. So, you know, it won't take me too long. I've only been riding, I picked this thing up on Monday, and right now it's Wednesday. So I already put 173 miles on it. By next week, maybe the following week, hopefully I'll have 600 miles, depending on my work schedule and stuff. But coming soon, the fully unfiltered sport mode first ride review. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Man, I can just feel it. It wants to go. Sometimes I just want to do it. Oh man, that feels so good. What an upgrade. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait, guys. We got a lot of good stuff coming with the Z900. Just need to sell the 500R. So if you guys are interested, or if you're here in Phoenix, if you're interested in buying my 500R, hit me up. Leave a comment and I can give you my information. We can talk about it and see what we can work out. thank you guys for watching. Thank you for riding with me. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. We are almost there. And, you know, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much.